Hi, all Maelstrom fun. Up and at 'em. It's morning. So much rage at the moment. Let's be honest here. I do not want to record after what happened at Mount Bristol. Let's be honest here. I was kind of being an idiot trying to complete these B missions. Everyone listen up. I have an important announcement to make. Far to the northeast, then further into the outmost regions, there lies a place named Tree-Shroud Forest. In Tree-Shroud Forest, time apparently stopped. Huh? Eek! What did you say? You're saying that time stopped? Hey! Yes, that's correct. Time come to a standstill in Tree-Shroud Forest. The wind has stopped, the clouds are motionless. Dewdrops on the leaves won't fall, they just hang there suspended. In Tree-Shroud Forest, time itself has truly stopped. Time has stopped? But how could something this awful happen? It's unthinkable! Yes, the unthinkable has happened. Why has time stopped in the Tree-Shroud Forest? Well, it's because the Tree-Shroud Forest time gear was stolen! Dun dun dun. Huh? The time gear was stolen? That's what made time stop. Yay! I heard it was possible, but now it really happened. I don't get it though. Why would anyone take a time gear? Quite everyone. Officer Magnezone has started an investigation. It's hard to believe that anyone would dare steal a time gear. Unless for the reason this criminal has. He has a reason. But if one time gear can be stolen, the others may be endangered. The officer asked to be notified immediately if we notice any suspicious characters. So keep that in mind. Let us know if anything. That's all. Everyone. Alright, everyone. Here's another busy day at work. Hooray! Oh, you there. You two, come here. You've been quite good at your work. I'm surprised at your capture of Drowsy. That was very admirable. What about my suffering last episode with the two B-ranked outlaws and then getting my butt whooped 5 times? You will all finally be assigned with a mission worthy of a proper exploration team. Really? Hooray! Let me see your wonder map. I wonder where it is. Treasure Town is here. And over here is where we would like you to investigate. See, there's a waterfall flowing here. By all appearances, just an ordinary waterfall, but we received intelligence that the waterfall may conceal a secret. That's where you come in. We want you to investigate the waterfall. Do you understand what the mission entails? Understood. Good. Alright, I'll leave you all to thoroughly investigate the waterfall. Huh? What's wrong? You're shivering. Are you alright? Yes, I'm okay, but the anticipation is making me nervous. This will be the first time we get to do a real job as an exploration team. I'm feeling a little worked up. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna burst from excitement. Let's do our best. Charge! Oh, Maelstrom. And Gubting too. Yes! This would have made those two outlaws a lot easier. but no, I had to do it. Hello, what's going on here? I just started an assembly here today, in fact. Assembly? Yes. For assembling your team, have you ever considered adding members, Captain? Other members? Well, sure, it'd be cool to add other members. If there were more than just 2 of us, it would help when we explore dungeons. Well then, you need to start recruiting new members. Oh, how do we start? I'll just ring the friendship bell for you, Team Pokeball. Here it goes. Hey ya! Jamiko rang the friendship bell. Now Team Pokepals has the power to create new members. Really? Yes, from now on, while battling in dungeons, you may earn respect from some of them. And this Pokemon will ask to join Team Pokepals or whatever team you put. Once you have been recruited, Pokemon you can bring along with you on dungeon exploration. Bring a Pokemon along, visit my assembly, and choose which members you should join for the exploration. Always see me when you want to assemble a team. Includes recruit. Oh, thanks, Jamiko. Let's talk to Bidoo. Huh? You all have been assigned to investigate that waterfall? It'll be your first exploration. I'm pulling for you to succeed. Gosh. Now you all dig into that challenge really hard now. Aww. Help me, Mib. Actually. Oh, that's cheap. I'm gonna do this the smart way. To the secret waterfall. Da 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 da. So this is a waterfall that supposedly has a secret. Yo! The water is coming down hard. Try getting close to the waterfall, Maelstrom. It's true. This is incredible. I can barely stand near this deluge. Wah! See? It's intense. If you were to fall under this waterfall, you'd probably be battered. I didn't expect it would be pouring down this powerfully. Where should we even start looking? Something seems familiar. It's the dizziness I felt before. A chop through the head. What's that shady figure? It happened again. I saw something. But what did I just see? What's the matter, Maelstrom? What? You saw another vision, and this time you saw a lone Pokemon leap into this waterfall? Not only that, there was a hidden cave behind the waterfall. But it looks like the water is coming down real heavy. Imagine if there was actually solid cliff wall behind the waterfall. Ouch! If we tried to jump through, we'd be pounded bad. So Maelstrom, what do you think, Maelstrom? Is there really something behind this waterfall? Are you convinced that there's a cape there? Well, okay. I'm putting my faith into you, Maelstrom. Yes, I totally need to believe in you. Yikes. I gotta be brave. If I get scared and fail to leap through full screen, I'll be smushed no matter what I do. If I'm doing it, I have to do it without hesitation. Be brave. Be the bravest ever. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Have a nice day. Thank you. Yo. What is this? Yay! Yes, it's a cave! You're right. After all, Maelstrom. Let's go explore this cave, Maelstrom. Let's see what secrets holds. Let's see. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna do this in the next video because this is actually kind of a long cave. I believe it's like 10 floors. So, until later. See y'all.